Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add a Facebook username. Having a custom username is a great way to personalize your profile and make it easier for friends and followers to find you. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your unique Facebook username. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, tap the hamburger menu, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, tap on Account Center at the top of the screen. This is where you manage all your connected accounts. Scroll down and select Profiles. Here, you'll see all the profiles associated with your account. Choose the one you want to add a username to. Now, tap on Username. If you haven't set one before, you'll see no username displayed. Tap on this option to enter your new username. Type in the name you want to use, making sure it's available and follows Facebook's guidelines. Remember, your username should be unique and easy to remember. Once you've entered your desired username, tap Done to save the changes. Facebook will instantly update your profile with the new username. You can verify this by checking your profile link, which will now include your custom username. Adding a Facebook username not only enhances your online presence, but also helps others find you more easily. It's a simple yet effective way to personalize your profile and make it stand out. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and updates.